Welcome guys to a new video where I will be building a wide budget gaming PC under $1,099. Remember, you will have all the links down below in the description, and let's get started.
From my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good. You got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight, and lost my head over
Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you like this beast of PC, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe for more content, and I see you in the next video.